Hi angels, welcome back to our DIY. So in this video we are going to be making some custom Travis Scott sneakers. So the sneakers I got from Family Dollars, they were only $5 even though it says 10 on it. They had a big sale on all of their shoes and clothes, stuff like that. And also you're going to need your little mini iron. Maybe you're going to need your scissors and the patches, the iron-on patches. I will leave the link down in the description box below, so you can just click on it, order it if you want to order it. I think that's all you're gonna need. So all I'm gonna do is firstly try to figure out how I want to place everything on there, because I decided that I can't talk. So I decided that I wanted to use all of the stickers that I got, all of the patches that I got. So that's the first thing, just seeing where I want everything to place, where I want everything to be, and then you can start ironing on. Don't know why I decided to switch it, but whatever. So yeah, this is what I'm figuring out. Now all you're gonna do is just rub your iron across, press down on your iron so that it can transfer onto the sneakers, and that's it. But that's not it, but that's the beginning to this beautiful story. And I know a ton of sneakers have all these curves and line in between it. The best thing about the mini iron is that it get into all of the crease, just like how I'm cutting into the crease right there, so that it can transfer onto the shoes properly, so that when you lift it up you don't see a space in between or anything like that. So I'm going to be repeating the same step all over again. Press down on the iron and then just rub it across, because you don't want to mess up the letters or anything like that. So yeah. And if you're peeling it off and it's not coming off properly, just place the iron back on top of it to make sure you can transfer it on there properly. So yeah, I don't know why I'm going back over it with the iron, because you like if it transfer on there good, but who knows. Now we're just peeling off the stickers and applying more heat. I decided to add one of the stickers in the back, so one of them is going to be in the back and one is going to be right at the front on top of the shoes, because we're just being that extra. Now we're going to do the second pair of shoes, and we're going to be repeating the same step that we did before. Nothing is going to change. So yeah, the iron should supposed to be on there for like 30 seconds, I think, is the longest it should be on there, and you should be good to go. This is the easiest thing ever. So this is how the shoes turned out. I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. These ones turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it.